Before we go inside, I want to show you something most people overlook. Because the moment you arrive at this estate, before you even reach the front door, the property is already doing something to you. Look at this water path, running straight through the heart of the courtyard, flanked on both sides by towering royal palms positioned with absolute precision, like columns in a great hall. Every morning, Mark and Priscilla walk through this, the sound of water beside them, the shade of the palms overhead, the Miami sky opening up above. Rafali understands something most builders don't. At this level, you're not just designing rooms, you're designing how people feel. This water path creates a daily ritual, an arrival experience, a transition from the outside world into something else entirely. Now look at the facade. That warm, creamy stone covering every surface, that's limestone. And that was a very deliberate choice. Rafali has spoken publicly about what he calls noble materials. No stucco, no paint, no synthetic cladding that starts cracking 5 years after completion. He applied this same philosophy to Drake's estate in Toronto, and he carried it here to Miami. This limestone exterior is designed to stand for 100 years. And when you look at it, the classical pediment, the symmetrical wings, that ornate circular medallion at the center of the facade, you understand the architectural language he's speaking. Old world craftsmanship, European palace architecture, built into the heart of modern Miami. Take a look at this aerial view. That motor court is massive, stone paved, designed to hold a serious collection of cars, the kind of fleet that belongs on a property like this. The driveway leads straight to the central bronze sculpture, the focal point of the entire composition. Everything on this property converges on that one moment. And from above, you also see what sits behind the estate. Open water, Biscayne Bay, that's Indian Creek Island. And on this property, the water is never far from view. So think about what that life actually looks like. You walk your water courtyard each morning, you look out past the limestone columns, and there is the open bay of Miami. That is not a house. That is a life. Now that you've seen the grounds, the stone facade, and the arrival experience, it's time to go inside. Because what Rafali created within these walls takes this estate from extraordinary to absolutely unforgettable. Let's go.